Straight from the soul. Are y'all feeling it like I'm feeling it? Come on, show your hands, throw your hands up if you're feeling the vibe right now. You know what I mean? Cause I love my dealer. Gotta get your hands up for this one right here. Indeed. But the next man them coming to the stage, you know what I'm saying? I love when family's in the house. Cause tonight we got more and more and more family. But next to hit the stage, we got Kofi Kane, Slangston Hughes, representing Continuum, also representing Crooked Halo, and the whole team. I like all the good people in the house to make some noise. Kofi Kane, Slangston Hughes, run through.
Hello, everybody. I'm Kofi Kane from Crooked Halo. This is Slangston Hughes right here. You're about to hear that brand new. Got the feeling in my bone marrow.
Yeah.
Not to break down my dreams like a broken arrow. Spent my life plotting and scheming. That ain't going nowhere, so it's my word that I'm keeping. I'm making moves. Okay?
Yeah.
Ain't no other point in living
Clap.
to reach for a little more. Seeing if you can't achieve it, people say it can't happen, but don't believe them. Demons dreaming of your defeat like their nightmares beat them. And sometimes they seem to be friends, but be strength. Break the chain, cut off the weak link. Fake ass homies wanna slow me down, but I get motivated by these bozo clowns. Bitch ass haters, you can blow me now. Talking shit, but give me pounds when you see me out. That's some shit, y'all make me sick like a greedy hoe. So y'all get stuck to low cash like CB4. This my everyday uniform. They try to stop me, but they fucking soft like unicorns. Kofi Kane ripped terrain like Rubicon. I said what I had to say, so you've been warned. I got my mind made up. Yup, we gon' get it, gon' get it, 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 you got it, you good. I got my mind made up. Yup, we gon' get it, gon' get it, 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 you got it, you good. Yeah, this that sound y'all been looking for. Therefore, ain't no need to look for more. Haters say fuck him, but that's what a hooker's for. And if you're trying to fuck something, go somewhere and look for whores. I'ma blaze it up and cook it raw like sushi. Sometimes I think they tryna bite my style like cookie, but that's alright, cause the bite's quite pussy. I slice dice pussy, mash it up and make it mushy. Death to a bitch, bite her like smushy. You wanna battle, place your bets, rhyme bookie. Too many rhyme rookies swearing they nice, cause they get a little nookie and they rockin' some ice. But they wrong and yo, they never be right. Getting pussy ain't shit, but yo, I'm the intelligent type, so I don't care who the hell that you like. If it's not me, your favorite MC's name better sound like Kofi Kane. I do it properly, ain't a motherfucker ever gonna stop me, man. Yeah, I do it properly, ain't a motherfucker ever gonna stop me, man. I got my mind made up. Yup, we gon' get it, gon' get it, 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 you got it, you good.
Get it, 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 get it,
get it, you got it, you good.
Yeah, so yo, that's my man Kofi Kane. I'm Slangston Hughes if you don't know. We're gonna get into the hustle music real quick. Hustle Kane, hustling, music. Hustle Kane, hustling. Check, yeah. Hustle Kane, hustle closer, hustle music. We hustle Kane, hustle closer, hustling. Oh, hustle Kane, hustle closer, hustle music. Check. See, I was never good at sales. The only dimes that I flipped was them gals for the heads to tails. But my head was ahead, like jets to snails. I'm too fly to get jail for scales. Oh well, I got another plan for grams. Moving units and Sams. Pass my music to my fans hand to hand. Like combat, underground sound like scratch on a wombat. Transmitted live, slang concept. See what I write makes news. Like black man plight made blues. It's alright if you confused, cause this ain't infused with any smooth rhetoric. Pure and edited, like chopping on the internet. Interject a beat right here. Yeah, that's for some man's career. I wear black in the booth like Paul Pierce on the truth. But don't wear bold blue shoes when I shoot. I choose to hustle Kane, hustle clothes. Yo, hustle up. I want everybody to say this. Yo, hustle up. Come on, it's a new year. We gotta hustle up. Yo, hustle up, hustle. Come on, yo, hustle up.
Hustling, hustling, hustling.
Hey, hustle up. Check this out.
Hustling,
Verse 2, yeah, I'm saying, yo, you can move an inch, even a millimeter. Think you can win? Well then come and be a competer. Cause I'm a supercomputer that's setting trends and futures. Ask a question, I'll process it in seconds or sooner than you can think to blink. Niggas or ships will sink, then I'm diving in way before the Lincoln print. Ladders for medals and coins, efforts for credit to join me at my hip like a bullet and a veteran's loins. Al-Qaeda writer, fire to empire state of mind. I don't grade the lines, I'm just great. But wait, yo, that's just for suspense. Yo, uncommon with the dollar, so I make the sense. Anticipate, let it build like me with evidence. Yo, try your face, the try your face will never end. I'll never bend, but I'm frank when I say this. None of my lines are rhyme from any big playlist. Hustle up.
Hustle cane, hustle clothes, I hustle music.
We're hustle up.
Hustle cane, hustle clothes, I hustle music.
Yo, hustle up.
Hustle cane,
Put some fingers up in the air, y'all daddy. Put your fingers in the air.
Hustle up.
Yeah, say hustle up to the sky.
Hustling, hustling, hustling.
Hustle up to the sky. Hustle up to the sky. Yo, hustle up to the sky. Hustle up to the sky. Yo, hustle up. Yo, hustle up.
I hustle music.
Yo,
Hustle cane, hustle slang, and hustle crooked.